Hello everyone, myself Sujit Chauhan. I am doing PhD in computer science in IIT Kanpur. So I have cleared GATE exam in 2018. My rank was 352. So today's video is regarding how to manage your time effectively. So many people ask that how to study effectively or how to manage my time. Many people have this problem that they get distracted while studying, like they start watching YouTube videos, they start watching Instagram, or they start doing other things other than study, and they forget about study. They chat with someone and then they forget like they were studying, and then they come back and they say that, oh, my day is wasted. Or you start watching this some Netflix and Prime Video, and then again you waste your time. So how not to do that and how to study effectively? So first thing is meditation. First thing is meditation and good sleep. So you should meditate for 15 minutes to 30 minutes per day. So I'll post some links in the description of this video, like what kind of meditation you should do. So if you do this for 15 minutes before study, then your mind will be relaxed, and this will help you to focus. So initially you will find some difficulties, but if you do this regularly, do this meditation regularly, then it will help you. And second thing is good sleep. So you should at least sleep for 8 hours per day, and 8 to 9 hours per day. And don't skip your sleep because you have a lot of study or something, because that will adversely affect your health, and in the long duration you won't be able to continue studying. So yes, so sleep is very necessary. And third thing is physical activity. So each day you should at least for an half an hour or something, you should go for running, or you should go for a walk, or you should play some game, cricket, football, or anything that of your choice, or you should go for a gym to make your body fit. Because if your body is not fit, then how can you focus on the study and study effectively? Many people will say that, no, I will skip the workout and I will not do workout and I will do study. But in the long duration, your body will feel sick, you will feel sick, and you will not be able to continue in the long duration. So yes, now the main thing is study. So even if you do all this, and if you sit for study, and if you are studying, then it is a chance that there some notification gets pop up, YouTube notifications, and this is a video of some famous star, or some Instagram notification will pop up that your friend is messaging you and you want to chat. So yes, so what you do, you set a 1 hour timer. You set a 1 hour timer in your, this is a famous Pomodoro technique that I am going to explain. So this is a proven technique by scientists, and many people have tried. In fact, I have tried, and it is working for me. So yes, so set a 1 hour timer, and in this 1 hour timer, make a rule that I will not see any YouTube video, Instagram video, Facebook, anything. Make notifications off, and make your phone silent, keep it somewhere in the bag, and within this 1 hour, just focus completely on your study. And in case of emergency, let's say you are getting some emergency call or something, then pick it up, but pause the timer, and then again make. But in the rare cases, don't do this if you are getting any call, then you are taking a call and pausing the timer. Don't do this. Just for 1 hour completely, you focus on the study, and then take 10 minutes break, then again 1 hour study, and then take 10 minutes break. So complete 6 hours. In the initial phase, try to keep the target at 6 hours. So you can increase this timer after some time, like after you get comfortable with 6 hours, you are saying that, oh, these 6 hours are easily I can study in a day. So you increase this timer. So this is the thing. And second thing is, make it a strict rule that I will not see any YouTube video or anything. And after you complete this 6 hour study without losing your focus, 1 hour study, 10 minutes break, 1 hour study, 10 minutes break, then you can award yourself. Like, let's say you like to watch a movie, and you are having a craving of watching movie or watching chatting with some friend or something, then you can avoid yourself. Oh, I have completed my 6 hours, so I'll do. So your mind will work like that. Ki, oh, I need to complete this 6 hours to watch some movie or something. So this will become a habit. Second thing is that it's not necessary that timer should be 1 hour. So for some people it will be like they can focus for 30 minutes or 45 minutes. So keep a timer for 30 minutes and then take 5 minutes break and then 30 minutes, then 5 minutes. So complete 12 sessions, 12 such sessions, 30 minutes timer and then some break and then timer, 12 such session in a day. And then you can say that, oh, my today's study is complete, today's target is complete, I can move on to my next task. So this is the thing. So yeah, so this if you do for 5 days, so if you do for 5 days, then take 1 or 2 days break. Let's say if you are starting from Monday, so do it from Monday to Friday, and then Saturday Sunday take break. Because if you do it for long day, like long duration, if you do for 15 continuous days, then what will happen, you will feel very tired and your mind will feel tired and you will not be able to continue this for longer duration. So breaks are also necessary for the study, but take breaks only if you are studying very attentively and focusedly, you are completing this 6 hours goal per day, then only you should take break on Saturday and Sunday, and then you will feel refreshed on Monday to study again. So this is the thing, like how to focus and how to do study in a focused manner. So this is very famous technique, Pomodoro technique. Again, I will summarize this video. First thing is you should meditate. Second thing is you should work out for some time. Third thing is you should you should take good sleep, at least 8 to 9 hours. And the main thing is study. So set a timer, set 1 hour timer or half an hour timer. Do focused study. Don't do anything else in this timer, and then take a break and then again set a timer. Whatever your other tasks are, girlfriend, boyfriend, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, shift them at the end of the day or in the break. So yeah, if you follow this thing in 5 days or in a week only, you will see lot of improvement. So Swami Vivekananda ji also said that focus on one task at a time, and give your full attention to that task, full devotion to that task. This is the only way to success. So yes, if you follow this, you will see that you are improving and you are getting good results. Thank you. This is for today. So I hope this video helps you. If you have any other queries, then you can comment on this video. Thank you so much.